My name's Michael, and I'm going to demo the new Ethstats and 3box integration. So Ethstats is an Ethereum block explorer, and they've integrated 3box social profiles, so you can see user profiles right next to user accounts in the Explorer, which is pretty cool. It adds just a little bit of social context to hexadecimal Ethereum identifiers and makes the overall Web3 experience just a little better. So what I'm going to demo here is I'll show a few steps. First, we'll look at the Ethstats Explorer. I'll show a basic account from a random account on the network and show what that looks like. I'll then look at, I pre-populated a 3box profile, and we'll look at what that account looks like, so an account with a profile. We'll go over to 3box sign in, add some data to the profile, see that change on Ethstats, and go back to 3box and again, add some more data like verify a Twitter account and see that populate. So let's get started. So this is the new Ethstats dashboard. It's really great. It provides like a new way and some different types of views on how you can look at the blockchain. But for speed here, I pre-searched a random account. You can see at some point in time, it had some ETH, it no longer does. And here you can see there's just a basic avatar provided by Ethstats. Doesn't mean anything, but this area of the platform is interesting, and we'll keep it in mind in a sec. So since I've already created a 3box profile, let's sign in and see what data I have. And I did this for speed, so you didn't have to hang with me as I created a new one. But here we're just logging into 3box by signing a consent message with the MetaMask Web3 provider. And right now it's just fetching my data from the network. And here you can see I have some basic info, like I added a narwhal avatar, my name, an emoji, and just a little description about myself. As you can see here on the left in the about, I didn't really add any information. So now let's go to MetaMask and copy my address. Okay, we copied it. Now let's head to Ethstats and we'll search it. There's been no transaction history. I haven't done anything on the network. I just created this account for the demo. So you'll see this empty. But what you'll see is I have a profile. And right now I have an avatar with a basic name. And that's all they chose to display here. And so now what I can do is I'll go back to my profile. Now I'll add a website. So let's say 3box.io. And let's say that's good for now. So I'll update my profile. As you can see, my URL has been saved. And now we'll give it a second to propagate through the network. Now if I go to Ethstats, I will refresh this page. Again, it's getting the data from the network, and now if I hover, you can see that the website's now there. And so now if I click this link and follow it, it will take me to the site. But since I'm already logged in over here, let's close this out. And now what I'll do is I'll edit my profile again, but this time I will add a verified Twitter account. And I'm going to verify the Twitter handle fortune cookies, FTN cookies. Click verify. Now all I have to do is click tweet this, and since I'm already signed in on Twitter, my Fortune Cookies Twitter account, you can see I'm signed into the right account on the top right. Now all I have to do is click tweet. And so this post has been successfully submitted. We can see it on Twitter. It looks great, looks like everything went through. So now I'll go back to my profile and I will check and make sure that it's been verified. This takes just a moment. And there you go, it's verified. So basically read it from my public Twitter profile and made sure that the correct information was there. And so now you can see that that's verified. I'll save it. And now you can see it appears in my profile. And here, now let's head back to Ethstats, and I will refresh this page. And as long as everything loaded properly, you'll see my profile pull. And they're just using the get profile API from the 3box.js library to do this. And there you go. And so now I have a profile with an avatar, a name, a verified Twitter handle, and a website. And so again, yeah, I can follow this Twitter handle and it will take me to my account. And so as you can see, 3box and social profiles just make Block Explorer just a little bit more human. Thanks.